See how can we start a new session. Of course, you will click here, then this interface will appear in front of you. You will have the classrooms that you created before. Let's have, for example, grade 6 B. Okay, you can add the students to your groups. You can divide them into 3 groups, for example. Okay, it's easy to add the students. Just click here and move. Click and move. Just simple like this. It's very easy. Now you added your students to the groups, and this is, of course, a very good way to make a kind of class management. Whenever you have such groups, it will help you to control the class. You can give these groups, of course, you can give names by clicking here on this and write, for example, the tigers. Okay. Also, you can give your session a title, for example, reading session or reading class, whatever name according to your plan. You can use the groups from the previous class. Once you started the session, the information are kept here and registered. I will click on the start session now, and now you have the interface of the session. If we have a lock on the interface of the class now, we will find the names of the groups. Here you will find the timer. You can make it bigger by clicking on enlarging sign. Also, you can give stars to your groups from here. Okay, or you can give an X for bad behavior. Click here on this group. You can add some stars for them. Also, you can go here and add some more. Okay. As much as you can. You have to click here to give them the stars or the X's. Of course, this design of the style of rewarding the students is done in a very attractive way, in a very tricky way as well. Because if we looked at this ball, we will find a lot of stars, but we didn't know how many are they, or the number, or the accurate number of them. So the students are eager to know their level or their marks. That's why we made it in this way. You can also display the student's name, as you can see here. Okay. You can also select students randomly here. All the class or even the groups. Let's go to all the class, for example. So Ahmed is supposed to answer the question, or you can give him some kind of instruction. Okay. We can also have random selection for any one of the groups. Let's go for the foxes. So Khalid Yusuf is gonna be selected from the group of foxes. Okay. This is the sound. This is the sound which means some kind of alert, okay, or giving attention to the students. This sign here, it's coming soon, of course, will pin the interface to the taskbar in order to show, for example, your PowerPoint or something like this that you are using in the class. Now, if you would like to finish your session, your class has ended, so you will click on this button, finish session. You have to calculating, sorry, and it's done by itself automatically. You see how much enthusiasm the students will have when they see their stars or their grades or their results here in front of each group. And then finally you end the session and reward your students by this very exciting one. So the winning groups are the foxes for the first place, the tigers for the second place, and the lions for the third place. And you have much enthusiasm in your class, of course. Okay. The group that wins the session will get a gift in the application.
Like